What's going on to all my friends on Facebook and Instagram and my YouTube fans and my TikTok followers, along with Facebook followers as well? Yeah. Today's video is not sponsored, but today's video is Thoughts of a Rat Bastard with Lieutenant Panther. Our thoughts on smart coffee machines versus an industrial coffee machine. Like I said, today's video is not sponsored, but check out Kathy and Glenn's Steakhouse, 250, forget what the fuck, Main Avenue in Wallington. It's been a long day. I've been up all day, and check out their the homemade sangria, old school. They're open from Thursday to Saturday. Check out their menu. They don't have any specials. Don't hold me to it. So, I just wanted to get this out there. I think it's 205 Main Avenue, or I don't know. Yeah, 205 Main Avenue. Whatever. But today's video is not sponsored by Kathy and Glenn's. Be sure to check them out on on social media. I don't know what their platforms are on, but anyway, just check them out, and you'll enjoy it. I am your host, Fire Marshal Will. This is the star of the show, Lieutenant Panther. Thank you for joining us back on the channel again today. Yes, as you can tell, I got my haircut done. Looking fantastic. Yeah. Haven't gotten rid of the Tom Selleck mustache. Negative on that. That's not happening. I'm not shaving that shit off. Regardless. So I'm going to do the ritual here before we start the... There we go. Oh, that's right. Alright, so I stand corrected. It's 250 Main Avenue, Wallington, New Jersey. Kathy and Glenn's Steakhouse. Yeah. So, there we go. Lieutenant Panther needs his paws. Oh, yeah. Sit up there. Of course, he's got to have the sunglasses on. Yeah.
1610 Parker Avenue, the Young Israel. Car company quarter response 2033.
He's got to have his sunglasses on. Look how cool he looks, you know? How about that? Anyway, we're going to do our routine ritual. I already have a beer opened already. Family was over at the house. You know, I had to take care of things, you know? There's your fucking beer. Hey, watch the sunglasses. You know? Anyway. Cheers. Today's video is our thoughts on versus homemade coffee pots that are now considered smart coffee machines versus commercial coffee makers. Yeah. Well, actually, if you guys saw that on my, that was a thumbnail on Facebook on the coffee machine. Yeah. There's no button to press brew. And then you have to have something like, you know, you pour the coffee in to keep it in like a thermos kind of thing, kind of bullshit. You know? Had to pour it out of there and throw it in the microwave to heat it up. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. What pisses me off, that everything is getting so sophisticated and everything is going online, this and that, the motor vehicles, fucking doing away with the toll collectors. Ay. Fuck you with this shit. Yeah, I love my fucking cheese puffs, yeah. They're so fucking addicting. $5.69 for a fucking bag of fucking Cheetos puffs. Really? But that's a whole nother story.
Still on course, Rory.
That look fantastic. Yeah. So anyway, how much of all of my YouTube fans who are coffee drinkers, leave a comment down below. What do you think about these stupid fucking smart fucking coffee makers that when you want to have a cup of coffee and you can't push the brew button, so you put the water in, put the filter in where it's supposed to be, and then put the coffee in there, coffee grounds in there, and then you're like I was yesterday. Like, what the fuck? Where's the fucking push the brew button? I unplugged it. I was like, what the fuck? And then I started to realize that's why we have a thermos, fucking stainless steel coffee pourer. I don't know. Oh, just fucking nuts. I take the coffee and I got my coffee cup and pour the coffee and put it in the microwave and like, yeah. Ah! I can't stand that shit. If I want a fucking cup of coffee, I want to go in the fucking deli in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning when I used to work nights. And I'm like, hey, say hello to my next door neighbor. Hey, Carla, what do you want, William? Yeah, I want my usual. I don't want to have a fucking beer, but I want my hot cup of coffee in my hand as you're making my egg and cheese sandwich. Sausage, egg, and cheese for that matter. You know? Now, I come home yesterday, try to get a cup of coffee, and I have that fucking thermos coffee pour, stainless steel, a thermos kind of shit. I go in the cabinets, get out my coffee cup, pour a cup of coffee, cold cup of coffee, not fresh cup of coffee that was made, earlier in the morning. Shove that bitch into the microwave, and I'm like, okay. And I start sipping away, pour some little milk here and there. Aye. How is it possible? Now they became so stupid with all this shit about electric cars and electric scooters and electric motorcycles and blah. Ay. Stupid bullshit, you got the smart watch and yeah, it was all about Dick Tracy, and when Inspector Gadget came out. Now it's a fucking reality. Now they got smart fucking coffee machines in your kitchen. What the fuck happened when, like, okay, I'm in the firehouse. You know, I want a cup of coffee. We come back from a fire, all-night fire, like my father used to be in the FDNY. They put out a structure fire or whatever. They come back to the firehouse. All right, let's cook it. Yeah, all right, make sure the coffee's ready. They start cooking, and you know the relief shift's coming in. They already started cooking breakfast and brewing a fresh pot of coffee. What in the fuck is wrong with fucking regular fucking coffee makers, and now they have to make it smart fucking coffee makers? So you can set your alarm and say, oh yeah, 6 o'clock. And it's like, yeah. I could go to Quick Check, go to 7-Eleven. They got fucking coffee available 24/7. Imagine when you go to a fucking Starbucks or a 7-Eleven or a fucking Quick Check. Oh no, we're sorry, sir. Is coffee served in certain hours from 6 a.m. till whatever? Like, really? Are you fucking kidding me? That's total bullshit. Same thing with the fucking blue laws and fucking on a fucking Sunday, you know, like the bars are open from fucking 10 a.m. and they close at 2 a.m. Monday to fucking Saturday, and all of a sudden Sunday you're like, oh God. Oh, sorry, folks. We cannot serve alcohol until 12 o'clock. Kiss my fucking fat, white Irish fucking piss hole. Kiss my fat, white Irish fucking piss hole. During the week, yeah, when I come home on a night tour, I want fucking beer Monday to fucking Saturday. I get my fucking beer. I go over to the deli. Hey, Carla, what do you want with him? Good morning. Yeah, I'm pouring a nice pot. I grabbed the fucking pot of coffee, and I got that cup, and I'm like, shove it back in there in the industrial coffee maker. Yeah, nah? I go over there, and other people that I know, YouTube fans, hey, Mo, what's up? Hey, how are you? Hey, oh, I got this cup of coffee. Don't worry, you know, just take care. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. And then put the sugar and the milk in there, and seal that motherfucker, and I'm good to go. I'm like, yeah. I got my cup of coffee. Lieutenant Panther and I are happy. Yeah, no. We're happy over this shit. But nowadays, when you want to fucking brew a fucking fresh pot of coffee, I gotta switch to an espresso. If I want instant coffee, I gotta do it the old-fashioned way, like we always been doing it, because now, this smart fucking coffee makers. Bullshit. Ah! Oh, come on. I don't understand. Because the current administration is like, oh, we're never going to go for the electric. Yeah, go for it. Go for fucking electric. What's next? You're going to have an electric fucking 747s? Or 7... Come on. Yeah, all of a sudden they run out of fucking... run out of the fucking battery power. Like, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We cannot make it to our destination because we're out of fucking battery power. So make sure your tables are in the upright position, and make sure that your chair's in the upright position as well. Make sure that your safety belts are on, and make sure that you have your safety vests. Listen to your stewardess. Fucking really. I'm gonna, if Lieutenant Panther and I want to fly on an electric fucking airplane, that's another fucking video. That's a whole totally different fucking video. Yeah. I'm gonna put a fucking Marlboro 100 in my fucking mouth and light that son of a bitch up. And I was like, okay, I'm going down with a fucking plane. I'm like, oh yeah. The same thing with fucking smart fucking coffee makers. Bullshit. Total bullshit. See? You see that? You hear that in the background? Yeah. That is a digital scanner. It's not like back in the old days. No. Everything is fucking digital. Fort Lee Police went to digital. That's garbage. That was Fort Lee Police. That's your new technology, folks. Motherfucker. What? You fucking... What the hell did it... Alright, whatever. Put it right there. That's why I didn't play basketball, because I missed. Shit. You know. Fuck it, whatever. I'm so fucking pissed that versus new technology versus old technology. What in the fuck was wrong with these fucking morons? Oh, I'm gonna make a smart coffee maker. Really? What do you think, Lieutenant Panther? Do you disagree or agree with these smart coffee makers? See? And I am your host. This is the start of the show. He disagrees. That's right, Lieutenant Panther. Yeah. Ah. Everything is electric bicycles, electric this, electric blah, 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 blah. Smart fucking this, smart fucking phone, smart this, fucking iPads and fucking, fuck. And fuck, oh yeah, it was better for the environment. Oh, you got the, bullshit. Hey, Lieutenant Panther, all bullshit to his side. Even though we love making these videos, leave a comment down below. How cool is Lieutenant Panther? Even though he's not a real panther, that's my travel companion as the star of the show. How good is he look in fucking sunglasses, and my prescription sunglasses, no less, versus my regular prescription glasses? Alright, so let's do a comparison. Prescription glasses versus the star of the show wearing my prescription sunglasses. Okay, alright, let's do a comparison. Alright. There you go. Who looks better? Lieutenant Panther in sunglasses with this new haircut, of course, versus me in sunglasses, or being like an old school fucking school teacher. There you go. Versus me. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. You know? Yeah. Anyway. Getting back to our fucking rant about that shit. Fucking smart coffee makers. You can't fucking brew a coffee until you get up at 6 o'clock in the fucking morning when I'm coming home from work. Then I can go to the fucking deli mart and have fucking coffee freshly brewed. To smell that coffee going. Oh, the coffee. Yeah, coffee. After a long night. They're like, oh yeah. And you walk in and you smell the bacon, and you hear the grill going in the background in Deli Mart. Like, my neighbor has been making my sandwiches for years at the Deli Mart. It's like, like the whole thing. I come over there, hey, good morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Hey, good morning, Carla. Hey, what can I get you, William? You want, I go over there, put it in there, I have the coffee, walk over. You know, Lieutenant Panther's chilling in the truck. He's hungry. He wants his bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll or whatever. And she's like, what can I get you, William? Carla, can I get my usual? And she's like, coming right up. And she makes it from the heart. And when I walk in there, I don't have to wait for till 6 o'clock in the morning when I'm in my own house to wait for a fucking fresh cup of coffee getting brewed. What the fuck? You believe this shit? Total total bullshit. Go to the fucking Quick Check, yeah. Okay. If I wanted a fresh brewed of coffee, if it wasn't a stupid fucking smart fucking HPD. Be safe, guys. If it wasn't for a stupid fucking smart fucking coffee machine, and I wanted to have a cup of coffee like just yesterday, and not having a fucking coffee container, the whole stainless coffee cup, coffee container. The holes, like that. What the fuck is wrong with the coffee maker? Oh, you can't brew it until 6 a.m. Are you fucking kidding me? Grab the fucking thing and throw it in the fucking microwave just like before. Smartphones, iPads, all this is all political bullshit. electronic e-logs and oh, kiss my fucking ass. If I want to have a fucking freshly brewed coffee, I should not have to depend on a fucking stupid fucking smart coffee machine. Ugh. If I want an espresso, I'm going to wait an extra 20 minutes. And I'm going to be like, all over the fucking place. With a Cafe Bustelo, you know? Holy shit, folks. How in the fuck is that possible? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm kind of tired. But you know what? When it comes to all of our fans who enjoys watching our obnoxious videos, we appreciate you all. Even so that we're going through some difficult times, but I really enjoyed making these obnoxious videos for all of our fans out there, especially our number one fan. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hell yeah. Kenny is our number one fan of the channel, and I appreciate all the love and support as well. And it's been a journey. It's been crazy, but you know, but it's all good. But you know, I really. Lieutenant Panther and I really enjoy making these obnoxious videos, especially our manager Dylan. Big shout out to him. Shout out to Keegan. You know, it's just... Yeah, there's merch coming. Ooh, I got the fucking beer hiccups now. On top of that, the fucking hot dogs are regurgitating lovely. And that's why I keep Tums right on my night table. You know? Ooh. Wow. Ugh. Wow. Yeah, it's a good combination. Mixing it with beer. Ugh. Make me foam at the fucking mouth. Wow. Nah. Disgusting. Here's the hair of the dog. Make me foam in the mouth. Oh God, I'm so scared to take a sip of this fucking beer after I took 2 fucking chewables of fucking Tums. Yeah. Alright, Beam Man. Suck it up. Oh man, instantly foamed up like but anyway, so be sure to follow us on Instagram Share this video on Facebook, on our social media platforms, and be sure to follow us on TikTok. If you're interested in following us on TikTok, it's the Rat Bastard. Yes, that is the Rat Bastard. So, if you want to follow us on YouTube, I forget if you got a Gmail account, whatever. I'm still trying to make our videos more accurate, so I can leave a link down below, and like everything what happens in the previous video up there in the corner. I'm working on it, but yeah, I want to be more professional. So anyway, so take care, everybody. Be safe, be alert, stay alive, and happy thank God it's Friday. Yeah. But anyway, so going back to what we're gonna do our outro right now. That's what we're gonna do. Be sure to check out our sponsor, Strap Hangers Bar and Grill, 126 Anderson Street, Hackensack, New Jersey. Oh, be sure to check out our sponsor, Strap Hangers Bar and Grill, 126 Anderson Street, Hackensack, New Jersey, aka known as the Station House. Be sure to check out their drink specials and food specials. They're open from Monday through Saturday, folks. Yes, Monday through Saturday. Don't get it mixed up. You get in there at 10 o'clock and you have that fucking first fucking beer. Yeah. And they close at 2 a.m. And on Sunday, now it's coming up on football season. Yes. Now I have to promote this as well. We're less than 2 weeks away from the football season about to kick off. Be sure to reserve your seat at the Station House. That is correct. Be sure to reserve your seats at the Station House. Make sure you reserve it. If you're there on a Friday, who's ever in charge, like Bo, like, all right, Bo, I need 4 seats reserved. Reserve your seats on a Sunday fun day. They have the seafood every Sunday. Fantastic. Check out that po' boy. You have to have it on garlic bread. Oh, fantastic. Yeah. But anyway, be sure to follow them on Facebook. Give them a follow. And on Instagram. For all you people who are trying out the Station House for the first time, follow them on Instagram. Give them a follow. Same here. If you haven't watched this video, and if you are the first time, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Share this on all my social media platforms, and Lieutenant Panther and I will catch you on the next run. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. As always, we will catch you on the next run. Be safe, everybody. Be safe, be alert, and stay alive. And Lieutenant Panther and I. Yeah. The star of the show and your host, Fire Marshal Will catch you on the next one. Any closing on the outro there, Lieutenant Panther? Lieutenant Panther says, keep watching the videos and keep giving the thumbs up. The more the views, the better it is. And Lieutenant Panther and I, like I said, we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, folks. Oh!